You know that feeling na gusto mo kumain pero wala kang appetite. Like, you're not craving anything. Kasi wala kang maisip kung anong gusto mong kainin. Wala kang sakit, okay? It's just, wala ka lang talagang appetite. Alright? Yung kasing nararamdaman ko ngayon. I mean, I've been like this since last month. But yeah, I know wala kang pake. Share ko lang, okay? So I came across with this TikTok video, someone preparing a soup, and it really got me craving something warmy, soupy. Soupy? So ayun, bumili na ako. Hindi nga lang siya same dun sa nakita ko sa video, but bigla akong nag-crave ng lomi. So I got the chicken lomi. So this will be my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner, snack. Churros! Oh, ay, mamaya kakain na naman. I haven't had anything today yet. Kasi I just woke up around 5 p.m. Well, it's already 8 p.m. Ano na oras ba? Past 8 p.m. na. So late na ako nagising kanina. Siyempre, late na kasi ako natulog eh. Around 8 a.m. And of course, my pineapple juice. Yes, okay. May dessert ako on the side. Malaki pala siya. Okay, this is not part of the plan today. Nakita ko siya sa talabat nung nag-order ako ng pineapple juice. Bro, this is only 19 dirhams. Okay, it's on sale. So I got this for only 19 instead of 40. So why not, diba? Push mo yan, girl. See, this is exactly why my lifestyle is crazy. Diba? And I really need to change something. But am I doing anything about it? Absolutely not. But what can I say? I mean, I'm just a girl, okay? I'm just a girl. A 34-year-old teenager living in adulting life. Anyway, let me eat na before this gets cold, diba? Cheers! The best talaga ang pineapple juice. OMG guys, super sarap. Wait, yun natin na. May ninig sa gutom. Thank you Lord for me. Oh my God. See, very creamy. Malsik. So yun, if wala kayong appetite, hindi nyo alam kung gusto nyo kainin, soup is the answer. Soup, lugaw, ramen, lumi, whatever, kung anong gusto mong anything